To install NVIDIA GeForce Now on Mac, in Google search you can type in GeForce Now download, and then you can go to download GeForce Now. Click on it. This will take you to NVIDIA website. Here you can see download for Mac option. Click on download for Mac. And let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can run this DMG file. Click on it, and then you can drag this NVIDIA GeForce Now to application folder. Now once you drag it, you can go to application and then find GeForce Now over here. NVIDIA GeForce Now. Here you can see it. Make a double click. Click on open. Allow. Agree and continue. So here you can see you should be able to install GeForce Now. This is how you can install it on your Mac. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.